In the previous lesson, we were looking at sharing a presentation on the web using Windows Live SkyDrive. But apart from sharing our presentation on the web, we can broadcast it to a remote audience. Think about if we wanted to present to a remote audience and we email them the presentation before we begin. Then, while presenting, we may be talking over a conference call, but the audience may not necessarily be on the same slide with us. We can use a new fantastic feature for PowerPoint 2010, which is called broadcasting. To use the broadcasting feature, we must have a Windows Live ID. To broadcast, we'll go on the Slideshow tab and we'll go to Broadcast Slideshow and we will select Start Broadcast. The computer will try to connect to PowerPoint broadcasting service and then we will need to log in with our Windows Live ID. If you do not have a Windows Live ID, notice you could get a .NET Passport account down at the bottom. I'll type in my email address and password and click OK. Now the computer connects, which doesn't usually take very long. And then we would be given a link or a URL. This link can be copied and emailed to all individuals who are invited to the broadcast, or notice we can send an email with the link which will take you directly to Outlook and paste the link in an email. Let's copy the link so I can also demo to you what the audience view of the broadcast will be like. I'll copy the link. And once we click on Start Slideshow, the broadcast begins. Now, if we go to Internet Explorer and paste the link into the browser, this is what the audience will be seeing. Back in our PowerPoint presentation screen, we can go through our slides, and each time we change our slides, it should change on the internet. Back in our PowerPoint screen, once we are finished presenting, we can choose to end the broadcast. But remember, once you end the broadcast, the audience will no longer see the presentation as they will be disconnected. I'll end the broadcast and it tells you all remote viewers will be disconnected. We'll continue, we'll end the broadcast. And since this is a new feature, there are a couple things that you should bear in mind if you are going to use this. The most challenging being, if your presentation contains audio and video, that will not be transmitted. And if you have transitions between your slides, all the transitions will be converted to the fade transition. With these few minor limitations on this broadcasting feature, let's look at another feature which may help to overcome a couple of these in the next lesson.
Hi, I'm Russell Sauter, Chairman and CEO of Learning GG. We believe with conviction that learning generates growth. That's why we named the company Learning GG. Our mission is to provide online video training that is effective, affordable, and accessible from your PC, tablet, and smartphone. Our purpose is to inspire lifelong learning within everyone. Learn by reading books, attending classes, and watching high-quality educational videos. The moment we think we know it all, we stop growing. Develop the passion for learning, be a lifelong learner.